In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Google Sheets data, how to recover deleted column in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets file in the browser and make sure you are in the spreadsheet where the column was deleted. If you're working in a shared file, take a second to confirm you are in the correct tab at the bottom because version history restores the entire spreadsheet to a previous state. Once the sheet is open, click into a cell in the area where you were working. You may see a highlighted region on the sheet. Keep your focus on the top menu bar, where you can see options like File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Data, Tools, Extensions, and Help. This is where you will access the recovery tool you need. Now go up to the File menu. Clicking File opens a list of options related to your spreadsheet, including the feature that tracks changes over time. From here, you will be looking for version history. In Google Sheets, version history lets you review and restore older saved states of the file, which is the safest way to recover something like a deleted column, especially if other edits were made after the deletion. After you open version history, a panel will appear showing saved versions along a timeline. Click within that version history area to select different points in time. As you click through the available versions, the spreadsheet view updates so you can preview what the sheet looked like at that moment. Take your time here and choose the version from before the column was deleted. This preview step matters because restoring the wrong version can remove newer edits made after the deletion. When you have the correct version selected and you can see the missing column back in place, move to the option that says Restore this version. Click Restore this version to bring your entire spreadsheet back to that earlier state. Google Sheets will apply the restore and return you to the sheet with that version now active. Finally, click back into the spreadsheet area to confirm the column and its data are present. If needed, you can return to version history again, since restoring creates a new version and you can always move between versions as you work. That covers everything you need to know.